Do you want to try labeling the purple part on your own, or would you rather work through it together? Do it to it. That's not quite it.
What?
But this is what learning is all about. If we already knew everything, we couldn't learn anything. And I think I see what you were thinking with your answer of 1/3. You were probably thinking we broke the square into 3 parts, and that's one of them. This is a very common misunderstanding about what the bottom number of a fraction means. But remember, the bottom number tells how many parts of that size we would need to make the whole.
Wait, what are you thinking? Why are you rolling your eyes?
It's 1/4. Because it would be 1/3 if it was just the amount of pieces. But it would take 4 of these to,
Okay. Why'd you roll your eyes? You're mad at yourself for missing it, or the tutor was boring you?
No, I was mad at myself.
Got it. Okay, great, yeah.
So let's work through this fraction together. The first thing we need to work out to write this fraction. How many purple parts are we working with?
1.
Right you are. So write 1 as the top number of the fraction. Good. The next thing we need to figure out. How many purple parts would we need to make the whole square? Before we answer, let's visualize it. We can take the purple part you have, make some copies of it, and see how many we need to make the whole square. Ready? There's 1 purple part. 2 purple parts. 3 purple parts. 4 purple parts. And that looks like the whole square. Nice. Okay, let's get that square back to what you had before we made those copies. So how many purple parts did we need to make the whole square? Yes. Put that 4 in for the bottom number of the fraction. 1 purple part. That's the top number. And by writing that 4 on the bottom of the fraction, you're saying that you would need 4 parts of this size to make a whole square. You know what? Why don't you go ahead and label the red part with its fraction as well? Well done.